Hello everyone, welcome back to Bang on Theory channel. So today I want to share something really interesting with you. Recently, Anthropic, the company behind the AI model Claude, has launched a set of completely free AI courses with certificates, and the best part is that these courses are available directly on this official learning platform. So as we already know, many AI courses online cost hundreds of dollars, but these courses are completely free and anyone can enroll. And I have also completed one course and received this certification, and you can also enroll. So let me give you the overview of this website. So for example, here is one of the course, AI fluency framework and foundation. So this course basically teaches the basic of generative AI and how to use AI tools effectively, and you can enroll this course completely free. And after course completion, you need to just complete one small quiz, 10 to 12 question quiz, and after that you will get the certificate of completion. And let me show you some other courses as well, like this AI fluency for students. So this course can help you, and if you are a student, learn how to use AI responsibly for learning and career planning. Okay, and here is a curriculum and all details are already mentioned. So before that, I want to request you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. I have already uploaded different tutorials, interview questions, mock interview, and I'm also planning to upload different content soon. So I have already added this official link in description, and since they are free, there is really no reason not to try them. You should try, and if you want to enroll in this course, you can check out. Just go there, create a free account, and you can start learning immediately. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more updates about free certification, tech learning resources, and career opportunities. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, friends.